Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we are looking at the Blackburn Rovers away shirt, and this is for the 25-26 season. And this shirt was purchased from bestzv1.com. All the details for the seller will be in the description of this video. I'll also leave a DHgate link from the usual seller. They do have Blackburn items, so hopefully I'll be able to link it direct to that. Now I have seen some images of this shirt before I purchased it, and yeah, it's like the background doesn't look ideal, and I'm guessing the sponsor is going to be quite large again, but it was more around the detail of this. Doesn't look as crisp on these shirts as the official ones, but for me, I just wear them when I go and play down like on a Monday or a Thursday night, so I'm not too bothered. If you do enjoy the video, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments or anything, by all means leave them below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But this is the Blackburn Rovers away shirt for the 25-26 season from bestzv1.com. Let's get this bag open and take a look at the Blackburn Rovers away shirt. Okay, we'll start with the front of the shirt, and it does have sort of a ring line collar. I do like the red and the blue actually, and that's a nice little touch, and actually it's the same as what's on the sleeves. The one thing I have noticed between this one and the official one is the print in here is a lot less, it's more blurry on here, and I think it's a lot more darker as well. The official one seems to be lighter, and these items are a lot clearer as to what they are. So like the assumption would be this is Ewood Park. It's not very clear, is it? The Macron here is vinyled on, and so is the Blackburn badge, which I quite like the badge being vinyled on. On the sleeve, we again have Macron vinyl, and on this side, we have the Venkeys, which they could have got rid of, and then again you've got Macron all vinyled on. The sponsor, as with always, is way too big. The Watson Ramsbottom solicitor is too big, but it's been vinyled on. And at the bottom we have the Eco Fabrics. Looking at the hemline though, that all looks fine. Yeah, that looks good. It's just a shame that they've not got that print right in the back, because if they hadn't done this, it would have been a really nice shirt. Although, to be fair, I can live with that. For me, it's that sponsor, just way too big, and that is the reason why I've not wore the home shirt that I purchased a little while back, because it just looks too big and looks silly. So that's the front of the shirt. Let's flip it around now and look at the reverse. Okay, we're on to the reverse side of the shirt, and we'll start at the top, and you've obviously got the 150, because the Blackburn Rovers 150 year anniversary, and that has been heat pressed on. It's just like a rubberized vinyl. And then moving down, this is what we looked at earlier. There's a crease there from where it's been in the bag, but I'm not overly concerned by that in the slightest. Again, the back, it's just such a shame that this is just not as clear as the official one looks. That looks a bit better actually. You can make it out a bit more that you've got your Rovers on there, but yeah, not perfect really, is it? I am tempted. I said I weren't going to buy an official Blackburn shirt for the time being, because I'm just sick and tired of everything that's going on there at the moment, but I am tempted to buy this one just so I could do a side-by-side comparison, because I think I'd be interested to see if you're interested in me doing a side-by-side of this one. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll look at buying one. But that's the reverse side of it. Let's flip it inside out now and take a look at that also. Right, we're now on the inside, and you can see just the standard collar line going around. Good stitching on that. The join all the way down to the sleeve. The sleeve join, to be fair, is not too bad, and the stitching under the arm looks okay. The Macron is here. No creases where that's gone on. Likewise with the Blackburn crest, no creases there either. Stitching all looks fine underneath. Moving down to the bottom, it's quite close on the join, to be fair there, look. But the hemline, yeah, cut not perfect, but it's okay, to be fair. We'll have washing instructions here. Recommendation when washing these shirts is to do as the shirt is now, flip it inside out and put it on a hand wash setting That way your shirt will last a good amount of time. Things like the crest here and the Macron, they're the items that are likely to peel off if you put them on a standard wash. But that's the inside of the first part of the inside of the shirt done. Let's flip it around and take a look at the final part now. Okay, we're on the final part of the inside of the shirt. It's got the neck support up there, and then you've got the 150 Blackburn Rovers Crest M Performance system. Size is XL, and this is like a fan version, so XL is pretty much the size of this shirt, and you get the standard sports performance tag included. Push it in, you can't really see through it actually, it's quite a thick material. So yeah, you can't see where the crest is on the other side or anything. Again, quite a few creases from where it's been in the bag, but once the shirt's been worn or something, then those creases will soon vanish. But not really too much to show you on this side of the shirt. It's, yeah, you can see the print coming through it, just from the way it's been planted onto the material. But all in all, yeah, a nice looking shirt. And there we have it, the Blackburn Rovers away shirt for the 25-26 season. And this shirt was purchased from bestzv1.com. All the information for the seller will be in the description of this video. For me, it's a really, really nice design of the shirt. I love the fact this is 150 and they've called out stuff that's been going on around Blackburn in the material. It's just a shame, as I've called out during the video, that it's a bit blurry and not as clear as what the official one is. But I go back to what I always say, this is a fraction of the cost of buying the official one. Although I am tempted to buy the official one just so I could do a side by side. Like here, I'm not overly sure what that is. It just looks like a blob, but I'm sure that is meant to be something. There's all sorts of stuff. There's a clock up there, look. But yeah, if you're interested in me doing a side by side, let me know below in the comments and I'll see what I can do. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments, questions, by all means, leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But there we have it, the Blackburn Rovers away shirt for the 25-26 season. All details for the seller in the description of the video, along with a DHgate link to my usual seller. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.